This question comes from Max, who asks, what if the universe itself was one giant reactor?
Max, congratulations! You just went from thinking outside the box to thinking outside existence itself. We're talking cosmic scale energy, universal level electricity bills, and frankly, a reactor that makes the sun look like a nightlight. First, let's define our reactor. Are we talking fusion, fission, or something entirely new that defies physics textbooks? Max, let's assume this is the ultimate fusion reactor, fueled not by hydrogen alone, but by literally every atom in existence. That's right. The universe is now your fuel tank, and every proton is a potential spark.
The energy output would be, well, unimaginable. Every star, black hole, galaxy, and even the vacuum of space contributes. Max, your backyard solar panel feels inadequate now.
If you tried to plug this reactor into a cosmic power grid, Earth's entire energy infrastructure would short-circuit instantly. Sorry, Tesla. Better luck next millennium. And what would this giant reactor do? Heat planets? Create new elements on demand?
Warp space-time like taffy? Max, the possibilities are endless. But here's the kicker. If even a fraction of this reactor fluctuated, it could rearrange galaxies, shift the fabric of reality, or make time itself hiccup. Imagine missing lunch because your clock decided to fast forward 3 centuries.
Containment would be a nightmare. In a typical reactor, you have shielding and cooling systems.
Max, try scaling that up to universe size. One tiny breach and boom! Entire clusters of stars could go supernova just from a temperature spike. Basically, your universal reactor is a cosmic pressure cooker on steroids.
Then there's control. Max, turning knobs is fun, until the knobs control the laws of physics. One miscalculation and suddenly gravity behaves like it's on vacation. Electrons forget their spin, and your coffee mug refuses to obey the third law of thermodynamics. Physics textbooks would need constant rewrites.
Communication inside the reactor is equally fun. Signals traveling across light years would take millennia to arrive.
Max, don't expect instant status updates. Your reactor online notification might appear hundreds of eons later.
Meanwhile, quantum fluctuations might decide to surprise you, like cosmic confetti raining down on your control panels. Of course, the upside is limitless energy. Infinite heat, infinite light, infinite power for any civilization bold enough to tap into it. Max, you could power every starship, every city, every toaster in the Milky Way simultaneously. Just imagine bragging rights at intergalactic dinner parties. Oh, this universe? Yeah, I helped stabilize it. But the risks are equally staggering. A small misalignment could collapse space-time locally, turning entire regions into black holes, or worse, turning them into nothing.
Max, we're talking about a reactor so powerful that your oops could erase entire dimensions. That's a cosmic-sized regret you don't want to have.
So, while the idea of a universe-sized reactor is thrilling, it's also terrifying.
Max, maybe some energy is best left distributed naturally among stars, galaxies, and dark matter. After all, we like having planets, life, and coffee, and a single universal control panel might ruin all of that.
In the end, the universe as a giant reactor is the ultimate thought experiment. Mind-bending, awe-inspiring, and mildly terrifying. Max, maybe let the universe run itself and stick to smaller reactors, like suns, stars, or, microwave ovens. At least then, when something goes wrong, it doesn't erase reality itself.